Once tethered to the confines of a bank cubicle, Sarah found solace in nature every weekend, trading leather shoes for hiking boots. Her journey began with a simple hike at a nearby hill, but her knack for adventure soon led her to conquer some of the most challenging trails in the country. As each trail presented new challenges, Sarah's determination grew, pushing her to exceed limits she once thought impossible. Surrounded by the serenity of nature, she redefined her version of strength, finding peace in each step amidst the rugged terrains. With each conquered trail, Sarah's dedication to hiking reflected not only in her physical transformation, but in her renewed zest for life.